Hello and welcome to the TGO 2024. It's been a while posting, just work and stuff. Yeah, I'm in Oban, start of the TGO 24, and yeah, should be a good one. I'll explain more as I go on. Hello. Oh, what a day. I'm here at Cadbury Bothy. There's quite a few people staying here. There's about 4 TGOers. There's a couple who are staying as well. So I've pitched my tent, and it's quite a nice little spot actually. There we go. I'll give you a look round in a minute. Yeah, so day one of the TGO. Started in Oban, travelled to the Falls of Lara. Lara? Whatever it is, I'll put it below. And then wandered down the basically the track to here. I've done about 18 miles today. 17 maybe. 2 more than I wanted to do, but it's really dry up here actually. Where I wanted to camp there was no water. There was no water at all, and if I'd found water there was no camping. So Sue from the TGO recommended if I got a couple of miles of me head to the Bothy. There's plenty, there was always water here, so that's what I've done. Right, I'm going to sort my stuff out. I'm going to get some food on, get my bed sorted. Morning to day 2 of the TGO. So I've had to move, there's a little bit of midges around. So I packed up and started moving. Give you a look where I am. I'm near the Bothy at Cadbury. Give you a look round. Yes, I'm heading up that way. I'm heading up the Loch Etive. Yeah, got a few miles to do. About 12 miles to do today, 13. Because I did some yesterday. Did alright actually. Here we go. Right. Coming along track, found this lovely bit of oak forest, oak woodland. Absolutely stunning. Lovely stream, little waterfalls coming down, and it just opens up into this loch. Absolutely lovely. I think I'm going to sit here for a bit and take it all in. Might even go for a swim, because it is rather hot. Yeah, that path coming up through there it's actually quite brutal actually. I think there's a lower one. I keep seeing this little path, but I was sort of following it for a bit and then it lost, so I had to come up to the higher one, but it seems to have appeared again. I've got about 5 miles left for today. It's only 1 o'clock. I don't really want to push on because I'll end up at Glencoe. I've got a short day tomorrow anyway, getting to Glencoe Resort. So what I might do is push on another 2 or 3 miles. If I find a campsite, just take it, sort of thing. Stay in the valley. Very nice, right, onwards. Well, the loch where I was supposed to wild camp tonight has no camping area. Well, there's loads of signs saying no camping. I know you're supposed to, there's an access, but I don't know what that means. Can you ignore a no camping sign? Anyway, I'm gonna have to wander on until I can find somewhere. Well, managed to find a pitch. I'm sort of tucked in under that. Yeah, that'll do. Yeah, there's another one of those signs over there. No camping. I don't know what's going on. There we go. Right, I think what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm not going to do the Munro. I'm just going to go to Glencoe and get to the campsite, I think, and sort myself out a bit. Anyway, I'll bring you back tomorrow. Morning of day 3 of the TGO 24. A quick pike. So I slept over there, leaving no trace as usual. Yeah, so there you go. That's what I'm doing. Walking up the road to Glencoe. Still be pretty. There we go. Right. I'm going to try and get back on the road. And I'll bring you back later. Yeah, that's where I was supposed to go, up there. Up that way. But there is another path that runs up. You can just, I don't know if you can point them out, I can see someone on it. I ain't got the legs on me today. It's another 3 miles to my journey today, and I just want to get to Glencoe. So I'm heading up the road, taking it easy. Well, it's not as if the scenery ain't pretty, that's for sure. Right, onwards. Halfway up the glen. Come down from down there. up the track, well, road, should I say. Food. I hope there's food at Glencoe. Ugh, better be. Right, bring it back a bit. Well, I'm just about to leave the glen now. Heading up to the ski resort to get a pitch. Might even get a pod, don't know yet. The weather's supposed to turn tonight. So, see how it goes. See what happens. Well, that was a fun night. We had a torrential storm and a bloody thunderstorm roll through. That was great fun in a notch. Oh well. Give you a look round though. Yes, I'm off across Rannock Moor. It's day 4. Yeah, I didn't get much sleep last night, and it was just I really do hate thunderstorms, even at the house. So sitting in a little bloody tent while the bloody lighting was going off above you was great fun. But anyway, right, I'll bring you back later. Well, I'm about halfway across Rannock Moor. They said, oh, this bit's pathless. It's really boggy. I got to it, I went, oh, it just looks like a really good Dartmoor path. If you had this on Dartmoor, you class it as a luxury. It's fine, I could be... But, yeah. It's fine, all I do is follow the power lines to the train station basically. Yeah, this isn't spooky at all. It's been going on for about 2 miles. It's just an old plantation, but it is very spooky in here. See, I keep hearing bloody noises. It is bloody odd, this place. Just want to get out of here. I don't often get spooked, but yeah, something about this place. See, I think these are natives. Alright, I want to get out of here. Right. Well, I got to Rannoch 10 minutes after the tea shop room shut. So there you go. There's the Mum Rose I'm supposed to be climbing tomorrow. Weather's not looking brilliant. I'll see what happens in the morning. I'll decide then. So we'll wander down here for a bit. There's a bridge apparently down here. And there's a bridge that is normally often a pitch. So I'll go and have a look and I'll bring you back.